Hi, I have a 27 horsepower Kawasaki and a scag mower. Was not charging the battery. Replaced regulator, still no charge. Replaced stator and engine wiring harness. It now turns over but no start. Question: can coils be put back on backwards and create a no spark? It ran before I started, just not charging battery. Thank you, Patrick.
Do you have fuel in the tank? If so, is the shut-off valve open and the fuel clean?
Yes.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I already have.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
You tell me.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. If you remove spark plug wire and spark plug, and ground to the engine, do you have spark when cranking? If you do, check the fuel solenoid in the carburetor. It may be unplugged, as it has to have 12 volts to open the main jet in the carburetor.
No spark.
You remove the both coils? There is a kill wire for each coil. Could it be shorted to ground?
When I remove kill wire, there is spark with right side only. Doesn't matter what I do to left side. The engine harness is new.
Coils are same on this engine, and there is no gap to set. Coils just mount. So it sounds like the left coil is bad.
How to test with OMH or voltmeter. Off engine.
Test is just what you just did. You can test both and check ohms that way. Or swap coils to check.
I'll swap coils, let you know results. Coil must be bad. Another question. When key is off, the battery will drain overnight. That's what got me to checking the regulator then the stator, not charging. But after changing all those parts, it's still draining the battery. Battery test okay.
Was battery tested? Battery okay? And unplugging the regulator does not make difference?
Battery test okay. Let me check regulator by unplugging. Should I still get spark with unplugged?
Yes, it will not affect spark.
Unplugging had no effect. Any idea what might be draining battery? Could it be in the key switch?
Would have to be a short somewhere. Try pulling wires until you get to right circuit, then trace it down.
Okay, thanks, I have to run out. If I need to talk again, can I contact you later on? Thanks for the help. Electrical is not my best asset. But I'm learning.
Yes, use the link in your email to get back.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.